How to mute notifications for 8 hours on a Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute notifications for 8 hours on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon here in the top corner, and now go down here and you will find this one, notifications and sounds. And then all you need to do is just you will find it like that, and just click here and click here for 8 hours and click OK. And that's how to mute notifications for 8 hours on Messenger Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.